Most people want to keep their teeth looking white because, in addition to being more hygienic, it gives them a more attractive smile. Today's video will discuss how you whiten your teeth with a 100% natural ingredient. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Although keeping them looking this way can be difficult, there are plenty of professional and at-home treatments that help you whiten your teeth. The results will vary from person to person, but some have seen for themselves that it is in fact possible to keep teeth looking bright without those unsightly yellow spots. While most methods typically cost a lot of money, you can opt for alternative remedies that are both inexpensive and natural. This is the case of an ingredient that you usually store in your pantry whose properties remove stains and help you whiten your teeth. It is nothing other than the well-known apple cider vinegar, an ingredient that has plenty of benefits for your oral health. Would you like to know why it's so effective? Apple cider vinegar for whiter teeth. This 100% organic ingredient is a traditional remedy when it comes to the health of your teeth. It's made from the fermentation of ripe apples, during which it is transformed into an alkaline product. Apple cider vinegar contains pectic natural enzymes and minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are necessary for maintaining strong teeth. Apple cider vinegar also has a whitening effect, and although it's not as strong as professional tooth whitening, it is a good solution against the buildup of tartar and stains from food. Another advantage that worth mentioning is that it reduces excess acidity and alters the environment that bacteria need in order to flourish. This prevents new infections from occurring and reduces the uncomfortable feeling of having bad breath, because the acidity can be a little aggressive on your tooth enamel. It should never be used without being first diluted in water. Although you might think that the effects will be greater when used pure, over time it can cause weakening of your teeth, so that you will use it without worries. How to use apple cider vinegar to whiten your teeth? In order to see the effects of this treatment in a short amount of time, be sure you buy 100% organic apple cider vinegar. You can probably find some less expensive products, but although they will save you little money, they are not as effective because they have lost some of their nutritional quality during the refining processes. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 5 ml, a half cup of warm water, 125 ml. Instructions: dilute a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a half cup of warm water and use it as a rinse before you brush your teeth in the morning. Gargle for 30 seconds. Spit out the liquid and brush normally. If you have bad breath or are suffering from an infection of the mouth, repeat this 2 to 3 times a day. Repeat this treatment every day and be patient until you start to see results. Tips for best results. Although the effects of this treatment will vary from person to person, there are some tips that will improve it. If you are trying to reduce the appearance of stains and whiten your teeth, try to avoid eating the following foods: dark chocolates, stew, ketchup and soy sauce, beef, cranberries, red wine, coffee, soft drinks. While you can consume them on occasion, it's best to limit your consumptions at least for the duration of your treatment. It's also important to use more caution when you choose to brush your teeth, waiting at least 30 minutes after each meal. Some ingredients in food alter the pH of the mouth, and when you brush your teeth immediately immediately they can weaken your enamel. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.